The Caterpillar D70 2026 is not just a machine, it's a revolution in heavy-duty construction. Built to dominate the toughest terrains and the most demanding work environments, this powerhouse combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional power, and remarkable efficiency in one rugged package. Caterpillar has always been known for its unmatched durability and performance, and the D70 is no exception. This latest model is designed with the future in mind, integrating smarter systems, eco-conscious engineering, and an operator-focused cabin that makes it more than just a dozer, it's a partner on the job site. The first thing that stands out about the Caterpillar D70 2026 is its sheer presence. Massive, muscular, and built to command, it comes with a reinforced frame structure, upgraded blade system, and higher ground clearance, all contributing to better maneuverability and superior strength. Under the hood, the D70 is powered by a next-generation Cat C15 hybrid engine that combines diesel with electric assist, delivering up to 580 horsepower while reducing fuel consumption by nearly 20% compared to previous models. This hybrid configuration is Caterpillar's answer to modern environmental standards without compromising the raw power that users depend on. With the D70, power and sustainability go hand in hand. Its smart eco-drive system automatically adjusts torque and power output based on load demands, optimizing performance and cutting down emissions. Not only does this help companies meet green compliance goals, but it also saves thousands in fuel costs over the machine's lifecycle. The transmission has been re-engineered with a 7-speed electronically controlled power shift gearbox that ensures smoother transitions, reduced wear, and faster response times in dynamic job site conditions. Operator comfort is also a major leap forward in the D70. The cab is now fully pressurized, climate-controlled, and designed for maximum visibility with 360-degree surround glass and high-definition camera feeds that eliminate blind spots. The seat is an air suspension unit with multiple memory settings and ergonomic controls built right into the armrests. Touchscreen interfaces give the operator full access to telematics, system diagnostics, and automated blade controls. Voice command functionality is now standard, allowing for hands-free adjustments while maintaining focus on the task. Safety has been elevated to new heights with the introduction of Caterpillar's Active Site Awareness System. It uses radar, lidar, and AI-driven cameras to detect people, equipment, and obstacles, alerting the operator in real time and even initiating automatic braking in critical scenarios. In hazardous conditions or reduced visibility, this system can literally save lives. For added versatility, the D70 features a modular blade design allowing for quick swap-outs based on job requirements. Whether you're pushing rock, leveling soil, or handling debris, there's a blade configuration that's perfect for the task. Additionally, the ripper system at the rear is built with high-tensile steel and upgraded hydraulics, giving it more ripping force than any of its predecessors. Maintenance has also been simplified with smart sensors placed throughout the machine to track wear, fluid levels, and mechanical stress. The Caterpillar Remote Diagnostic System allows fleet managers to monitor the D70's performance from anywhere, scheduling service before issues arise and minimizing downtime. All of this is backed by Caterpillar's global service network, ensuring parts and support are always within reach. When it comes to durability, the D70 excels. Every component from the undercarriage to the final drive has been stress-tested under extreme conditions, ensuring this dozer can withstand years of punishment. The machine's undercarriage now uses advanced composite rollers and reinforced track shoes, increasing lifespan and reducing maintenance intervals. The 2026 model also introduces smart job site integration, syncing seamlessly with other Cat machinery. Using Cat Link and Vision Link software, operators and site managers can share data across machines, coordinate movements, and analyze efficiency in real time. This digital integration is key to modern fleet management, especially on large-scale operations. The environmental impact of construction equipment is a growing concern, and Caterpillar has made it clear that the D70 leads the way in responsible innovation. The hybrid engine not only cuts fuel use but also operates significantly quieter, reducing noise pollution on site. Bio-lubricants and recyclable materials are used throughout the machine, aligning with green building practices and regulations. From an investment perspective, the D70 offers unmatched ROI. Its lower operating costs, Increased uptime, and multi-role versatility make it an ideal choice for construction firms looking to streamline operations and boost profitability. Financing options and extended warranty packages from Caterpillar give buyers additional confidence in their purchase. Looking to the future, the D70 is also ready for autonomy. While it can be operated traditionally, Caterpillar has designed this machine to be upgradable to semi-autonomous or fully remote-controlled functionality. This is especially useful in hazardous zones such as mining or disaster recovery, where keeping operators at a distance improves safety without sacrificing performance. Training operators on the D70 is easier than ever. Caterpillar now offers immersive VR training modules that simulate real-world conditions, helping new operators get up to speed faster and safer. The intuitive controls and automated assistance features further shorten the learning curve, meaning crews can be more productive with less downtime. As for design, the D70 carries forward Caterpillar's bold industrial styling with new LED lighting, aggressive angles, and signature cat yellow paint. But every curve and edge is purpose-driven, contributing to aerodynamics, cooling efficiency, or visibility. It's a beautiful blend of form and function. When stacked against competitors, the D70 sets a new benchmark. From fuel efficiency to safety to operator comfort and digital integration, it surpasses expectations in every category. It's not just a machine, it's a smart, tough, and adaptable solution for the future of construction. Contractors, developers, and fleet operators will find in the D70 not just a dozer, but a business partner that delivers results year after year. The Caterpillar D70 2026 is where innovation meets the earth, where raw power meets intelligent control, and where the future of heavy-duty work is being written today. Whether you're carving new roads, building infrastructure, or transforming landscapes, the D70 is the tool that turns ambition into achievement. Caterpillar once again proves why it's the leader in the industry. With the D70, they haven't just built a better bulldozer, they've built the future of construction.